afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make Chips Mayai, a famous Tanzanian dish. Some may have Chips Mayai for lunch and some for dinner. So here are the ingredients that you need to make it possible. Add your salt, pepper into the eggs and lightly beat the eggs. First of all, heat your oil and then put your ready-made tomato chips. Make sure you spread them out evenly. Add your lightly beaten egg, 3 eggs, to your Chips Mayai. And then pour evenly the egg mixture until everything is saturated. And leave to set for about a minute or so. We have our Chips Mayai. As you can see, it has got all the peppers and onions and all the ingredients, and then the egg is the one that has made it to set and look like this. So we sprinkle our parsley here, and this portion is big enough for 2 people. And voila! Here's our final product. Chips Mayai with some red cabbage salad and some salad dressing from Flavors by Fuzzy. Thank you for watching.